Hey guys, so this is another video. So I hope you all enjoyed my last video. So today the video is about I'm going to spray paint my normal boots, as you can see here, to a sign of the Nike. As you can see, I'm going to put like this here and I'm going to spray paint it. So as you can see, I customize it a bit, so it's MK station. So please guys, before watching this video, please like and subscribe my videos and subscribe my channel. So come on guys, let's go and see. So before you need to do this guys, you actually need a pair of boots, and you need some markers, and you need some uh, sellotape and a scissors and a pair of two papers with the cutouts of the Nike logo. So as you can see here guys, it has been torn, so it's okay. Why we need the sellotape is to like plaster it here, and then we will plaster it side here so that we can spray paint it on up here. So let's go guys and continue. So the camera is in an angle guys, so my shoe I will put in here. So as I told you guys, the thing here is cut, so I'm going to sellotape it. So let's go take the sellotape out. Cut it and then slowly paste it here. As you can see here guys, the sellotape is a bit here, so once you are folding here, you have to be very careful, not the shape cannot run like that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it like this, and I'm going to paste it slowly. That's how the shape is. So as you can see here, see the shape never runs. So there you go guys, as you can see, I have pasted it here. So paper 1 has done guys. So let's go to paper number 2. Is the before, let's see the after. Take a second again. Slowly paste it here guys. You have to be very gentle guys handling this thing, so if not the shape will run and your boots will look very ugly. So cut it here. And paste it like this. Gently paste it all guys at least. So if you want to cut it also, you can cut. There you go guys, after. Just now you saw the before, this is after guys. Nice and gently like this. That's the two paper, this paper. So now let's go here. So before you're doing it guys, take out your socks, everything. take out the strings, the shoelace. There you go, that's my paper. Throw it there. And then clean it nicely here, guys. So after cleaning everything, after that, first paper we're gonna take and we're gonna put it like this here. So let's go. As you can see, you can even cut a bit here like this. So I've cut it like this, so that easy we can put it like this. Yeah, okay. So the sellotape, that's the sellotape on, then go. So all the four sides of the paper you have to tape it so that it will make it strong and the shape won't run. The main thing, guys, you need the shape don't run so that the shoe will look nice, lah. So yeah, or you can just tape it like this. It's okay. For the down part there also you have to sellotape it. So you have to be very gentle, guys. Handle with care. So I just tear it out like this. Just stick it down here like this. So there you go, guys. The shoe for the spray paint. Even I think this side also will better. Tape it up so that for safetyness, so the shape don't run. So there you go, guys, at last done it. Let's paint it here, spray paint here. So let's go, guys, and do the next thing. So the first shoe I did this side, so the next shoe through this, yeah, forgot to take out the shoelace. So clean it everything. Okay. So put this thing in. So the first shoe I put this side, another one will be on this side. The shoe. Let's go. So it might take a while, guys. It's okay when you take a while. So it's like maybe it'll take like for one shoe, maybe it'll take like 5 or 6 minutes, guys. It's okay because as I tell you again and again, the shape must not run. Okay, so this last piece here, just stick it like this. There you go, guys. And 2 shoes with a Nike Science logo. So let's go, guys, and spray paint on top of these things. Let's go. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. Let's see. So let's go, guys. So let's go, guys. Take it outside to spray. So I'm out here. Put it here for now. Close the door. Okay. Take my spray pen, guys. So this time I'm using the black. So put it here. And I'll take my shoes. So take my first shoe. This thing here. So let's spray. gonna spray here, guys. Let's go. So I sprayed the first shoe. There you go, as you can see. So make it to dry over there. So for the second shoe, let's go. So I'm spraying. So there you go, guys. Second shoe. Let's go and put it for dry over here. So it's drying, guys. After it dries, let's see. So the time is 2 something, guys. I'm setting the alarm about 10 minutes of that. Once the alarm ring, let's go and see. So it's already time, guys. Let's go and see. So let's go and see, guys. So just leave the door open. So yeah, it's already dried. So let's bring them in. So I put them here. I close the door. So there you go. Let's take out the plastics and let's see what's happening. So I'm placing the camera here. So the first shoe is the shoe. Oops. So I don't know if you can see or not. I think it's black and black. I forgot. So you can see a bit here with the Nike sign. So it's okay lah. So still okay. So first shoe, guys, still okay. So let's see the second shoe. Put the camera here. First shoe okay. I think this shoe as well. Oops. I think this shoe will be okay again. Because it's blue, then it's black spray painted, so it's okay one. So take this in, take it out. So the second shoe is okay a bit. There you can see. So it's okay. I think the angle here, that's why I told the shape. Here the angle never come like this. It came like that and like this. So it's still okay. Yeah, it's still okay. So there you go. So there you go, guys. The 2 shoes that I did. So thanks for watching.